Okay, here is an audio narration based on the troubleshooting steps for ground fault circuit interrupters on pool lights. The user has recently been called out to a local pool that wants to ground fault circuit interrupter protect their pool lights. They have a setup where the large pool is on one circuit that will draw 11.8 amps, hot tub has its own circuit that draws 3 amps, and some ground lights draw 6 amps on their own circuit also. They installed the Siemens ground fault circuit interrupter breakers after tracing out the wiring to make sure the neutrals were all separate. Each was put on its own photocell. Everything worked fine when they checked it out. Tapering up the photocell, everything worked. The next day they got a call saying that the circuits tripped out on the ground fault circuit interrupters. If everything worked in the initial tests, you should consider the following troubleshooting steps. 1. Verify circuit wiring. Double-check the wiring connections to ensure they are correct and secure. Use a continuity tester to verify that the neutrals are separate and not cross-connected. 2. Test photocells. Temporarily bypass the photocells and manually turn on the circuits. If the ground fault circuit interrupters do not trip, the problem may be with the photocells. 3. Inspect wiring insulation. Examine the underwater wiring for any visible damage or insulation breaks. Use an insulation tester to check for insulation resistance. 4. Test circuit load. Measure the actual current draw of each circuit with an ammeter. Ensure that the ground fault circuit interrupters are rated for the appropriate amperage. 5. Consider age of wiring. While it may seem unlikely, older wiring submerged in water can deteriorate and become unreliable. If the wiring is over 10 years old, it may be worth considering replacing it. 6. Check for ground faults. Use a ground fault detector to test for any ground faults in the circuits. A ground fault can cause the ground fault circuit interrupters to trip prematurely. 7. Eliminate potential sources of interference. Check for any other electrical devices or equipment in the vicinity that could be causing electrical noise or interference. Additionally, if you encounter any damaged wiring, it is important to replace it immediately. Ensure that the ground fault circuit interrupter breakers are properly installed and connected. Consider using a ground rod to improve the grounding of the circuits. If all else fails, it may be necessary to contact Siemens technical support for further assistance.